Today I'm thrilled to share the in-progress updates on our living room refresh. Carrying on the theme of a season of change from my last episode where I embarked on a mission to declutter even more and update our home, I'm now diving into the more exciting part, bringing new life and energy into a living space. Here is a quick recap. Last spring, I started decluttering with no specific goal in mind. I was driven by a desire to hit the reset button and clear out old stuff that no longer served me. After eliminating 80% of my belongings, I found joy in being surrounded by things I love and having more space to enjoy with my loved ones. However, our home has become somewhat empty. It was never my intention to remove everything from our home, but to create a space that works for us in our current life stage. Decluttering helped me discover what I truly love, and now with an almost blank canvas containing only the things we cherish and use often, I'm ready to add items we need and want. We've lived in this unit for almost 16 years. We share this 750 square foot space with our small dog, whom we adopted about 6 years ago. Over the years, we've faced challenges including leaks that forced us to replace the flooring. While those experiences were unfortunate, they taught us valuable lessons about owning less, getting rid of bulky furniture, and installing leak detection devices to prevent future leaks. We now have leak sensors in the kitchen, laundry closet, and bathroom. If you own a home, I highly recommend doing the same. First and foremost, a new sofa. After owning this sofa bed for almost 16 years, I finally decided to replace it. This decision has been long in the making, about 6 years, and I've finally ordered a new couch. Our current sofa from EQ3 has served us well for a long time. Although we rarely had guests stay over, it was convenient to have an extra mattress built into the sofa. However, despite being comfortable and practical, its biggest drawback is its bulkiness. When we had to replace flooring due to leaks, it was always difficult to move it around. For the new sofa, comfort and compactness were key. I wanted something comfortable yet small and light, and the outline sofa checked all the criteria. It has slim legs that lifted off the floor, giving it an airy feel. The clean lines and rounded cushioned arm add a touch of elegance. Despite its small footprint, I was pleasantly surprised by how comfortable it was when I tried it in the showroom. I chose an easy-to-maintain, durable polyester fabric, especially with our furry friend in mind. Initially, I was concerned it might be too small, but after measuring it at home, I now see its intimacy as a positive feature. This new sofa will mark a fresh start, providing a cozy, comfortable place to relax and spend quality time together. Next, drapes. I'm thinking of replacing our old roller shades with new drapes. I'm exploring options that will bring a fresh look and feel to our living room while providing the perfect blend of light control and privacy. Instead of the roller shades, I'm opting for drapes that soften the space, absorb sound, and add character to the room. Then lighting. Good lighting can transform a space, and I'm considering new options to brighten up our home. I'll be replacing the old ceiling light above our dining table with a fixture that has more character and soft curves. While I'm still undecided about the living room lighting, I'm exploring different floor lamps. I believe once I have the sofa, drapes, and other elements in place, it will help me figure out what would look good and work well in the space. These are some floor lamps I'm looking at right now. Let me know if you have any recommendations. There's a wall painted in the shade called Silver Screen. Initially, I painted this wall in this color to enhance the black and white contrast when we used to have a projector across the room for watching movies and TV shows. However, I'm now considering repainting this wall with a different shade of gray, perhaps a warmer tone that complements the new sofa. There are so many shades of gray, and it's a bit overwhelming. I'll make a decision when it's time to paint. Additionally, I'm considering investing in a new projector after selling our old one about 8 months ago. The old one worked well, but it was heavy, bulky, and lacked streaming capability. Having gone without one, I've come to realize that we need an entertainment system, as watching movies and shows on weekends used to be one of our favorite pastimes together. By the way, I've been trying to come up with a phrase for the look and feel I'm going for, and I've landed on cozy minimal. It captures the essence I want in our space: soft, warm, and simple, with pieces edited down to the essentials. What do you think? Other additions I'm exploring include a few more furniture items and some greenery. I'm carefully selecting pieces that align with the cozy, minimal look and feel. Using warm neutrals and natural colors and materials, these additions will enhance the functionality and beauty of our living room. And also, there are ongoing fixes. I recently replaced the old shower head with a new one because the old one was leaky and splashing water all over the bathroom. And this summer, I'll be tackling more repairs, including fixing baseboards and walls, which I didn't get to a few weeks ago. This home refresh journey isn't just about aesthetics, it's about creating a space that truly serves us, a place where we can unwind, connect, and make memories. With a new sofa, I'm thinking about changing the furniture layout a little bit to better suit your needs. I'll get into that in future episodes. I'm excited to share the progress with you as I continue to update our home. Here is to a season of change, renewal, and making our home a reflection of who we are. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment to let me know your thoughts on this episode, and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.